Right.
And I'm going to go lights, camera, action. So lights, I'm going to put my strobe lights on.
Okay.
Camera, I'm squawking 1200 ALT, which means this my transponder. You can out can see me. Camera, so I'm on camera.
Okay.
ALT is to recording mode. And then action, I'm going to put my big red button for the record button.
Okay.
My mixer's on rich, okay?
Yep.
Cool. Alright, so you can go ahead and get on the EQ and one hand on the throttle.
Yep.
Awesome. Towards tower, 152 limit echo, hold it short 29 right, right down on departure.
November 152 limit echo towards tower, right down when approved, runway 29 right, cleared for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, 152 limit echo, thank you.
28010.
Alright, so clear, lights, probe, camera, and action.
Right.
He's at 28010, we got a nice little headwind, so not really much of a correction is going to be needed.
Okay.
Tower,
So over here on the center line.
requesting full stop with information, Charlie.
A 1 Bravo Victor towards...
Alright, on the bottom of the rudder pedals, no more brakes.
Okay.
Okay.